take it slow.
In this video, we will learn about multiplication of algebraic terms. I have already discussed what terms are in my previous video. So today we will learn how you can multiply algebraic terms. Now, कई बार ये देखा गया है कि children often get confused with addition and multiplication of algebraic variables. First of all, you must understand how variables are multiplied. Suppose there is a variable x and it is to be multiplied with the same variable. So x into x. Now what this will be equal to? Now you have to look at the power. Now what does power mean? Power means the small number that is written on top of the variable or the constant. Now in these two variables we cannot see any number written on top. If there is no number written on top, it is assumed to be 1. So since there is no number here, the superscript, so it is 1. Now when you multiply such variables and if the variables are same, then you add the powers of the two variables. You write the variable once and you add the powers. So 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2. So the result of x into x is equal to x to the power 2, or it is also called x square. Now if I multiply x into x square, the same principle will be applied. That is, if the variables are same, it will be written once and the powers will be multiplied. Now this x does not have any power here, so it is assumed to be 1. So 1 plus 2, that is equal to 3. Suppose I have to multiply x into 2x. Now x into 2x. Remember, when there is a constant, this is a constant. This is called a constant. And this is a variable. When we have term which has a constant and a variable associated with it, then the variable is to be multiplied with the variable and the term, the constant, will be multiplied with the constant. Now the first variable does not have any constant. We cannot see any constant. So if we cannot see any constant, if there is no constant mentioned there, written there, it is always assumed to be 1. So it is actually not x, 1x. So 1 is the constant that is attached with x in the first case. So first what I will do is I will multiply the constant with the constant, that is 2 into 1, that is 2, and variable with the variable. So x into x, in the first example I have showed you, x into x is x square. So this is 2x square. Suppose we have to multiply 2p into 3p square. In this also we can see that there is variable and also constant, and in this example we have constant and variable in both the terms. So the same principle, you will multiply the variable with the variable and the constant with the constant. So constant here we have in the first case 2, second case we have the constant 3. So I will multiply 2p multiplied with 3p square. So the same principle will be followed. The constant will be multiplied with the constant and the variable will be multiplied with the variable. So 2 into 3, that is 6, and p into p squared. Now this variable does not have any power, and I have repeatedly told you that if a variable does not have any power, then it is assumed to be 1, and the other variable has power 2, so I will write the variable once and add the powers. So this becomes 6p to the power 3, or you can say 6p cube. Let's take the example 4mn into 3p. Just remember, children, when you multiply algebraic terms, remember to do the multiplication of constant with constant and variable with variable. The powers will be added of the same variable. If the variables are not same, then you will not add the powers. Here 4 is the constant in the first case, 3 is the constant in the second